Hi, my name is Christabelle, CBS DIY specialist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to safely use a hammer drill. For the purpose of this video, I'm using a Milwaukee M18 fuel drill driver. While the information in this video will be a general overview, be sure to read the instruction manual and pay attention to the specifics for your tool. First off, what is a hammer drill? I'm glad you asked. A hammer drill is a power tool with rotary motion, combined with a pulsating hammering action. It can deliver thousands of blows per minute, helping the drill bit cut through extremely tough material like concrete, stone, and brick. Most hammer drills have three basic modes: hammer mode, drill mode, and drive mode. Hammer mode, as previously stated, should be used for drilling through hard materials like masonry. Drill mode is for when you need to use a hammer drill as a regular drill, where you only need the rotating action to drill precise holes in softer material, like wood, plastic, and even metal. Drive mode is used to drive in screws, though due to the larger weight and size of a hammer drill, I would recommend using an impact driver for this task. When drilling in hammer mode, make sure to use the right type of bit, one made for concrete. If you take a closer look at the tip, you'll see a slight difference in shape from a bit made for wood. When using any power tool, you are exposed to a number of common risks, like noise, dust, and flying debris. To protect yourself, ensure you are wearing safety glasses or goggles and hearing protection. Place your bit against the surface, press the trigger, and apply slight pressure. Careful not to apply too much pressure because you don't want to risk the bit breaking. Once you have drilled to the required depth, keep the trigger activated and remove the bit. Now you're ready for the fastener of your choice. CBS Bahamas has a variety of hammer drill options. Visit us today to choose the perfect one for you. Let us help you build beautiful.